In this video, I will show you how you can compress PDF files on the iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, just open the Files app, and from here just look for the PDF file which you want to compress. Now for example, I have a PDF file over here. Now to compress this PDF file, let's go back. In the Files app, just tap and hold on the PDF file, and from this pop-up menu, just scroll down and tap on Compress. And after you do that, you will create a zip file of the PDF file which we have selected. As you can see, we have reduced the size of the file a little bit. The size of the file before compressing was 155 kilobytes, and then it went down to 147 kilobytes after we have created a zip file. Now if you want to compress the size of the file even more, then for that just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then in the search bar just search this. Now from here just select any app which you prefer. For example, I'll select this one, then tap on Get. Select Install, then enter the password of your Apple ID. Now after you install the app, then tap on Open, and from here just select Compress PDF. Now just tap on Choose PDF File, and from here just open the Files app. Now in the Files app, just select the PDF file which you want to compress. As you can see, this is the PDF file which I want to compress. As you can see, we have successfully compressed the PDF file from 155 kilobytes down to 105 kilobytes. Now to save the compressed file, just tap on the Share button, and from here just tap on More and select Save to Files. Now in the Files app, just select where you want to save this file. For example, I'll save it in this folder. Just select Save. Now if I go to the home screen and if I go back to the Files app, now let's open the folder where we have saved the compressed file. As you can see, this is the original file and this is the compressed version. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.